It's time for phonics, boys and girls, and we're going to start with our alphabet strip and then work with our Saxon Phonics workbook. And let's go ahead and point and read the letters of our alphabet together first. Okay, Spotty Cat wants to watch. Here we go. Apple, A. Balloon, B. Cat, K. Dog, D. Elephant, E. Fish, F. Goat, G. Hat, H. Inch, I. Jar, J. Kite, K. Lion, O. Monkey, M. I'm going to flip that over. Nest, N. Octopus, A. Pig, P. Quilt, Qu. Rabbit, Sun, S. Tent, T. Umbrella, A. Vest, V. Wagon, W. Fox, X. Yarn, Y. Zebra, Z. Okay, wonderful. And we're going to put that aside. I can put that back into my folder. And then we're opening today to lesson, I think it's 7. Okay, 7. We're opening today to lesson 7, okay? And this is a page where we're going to write our names at the top, so please go ahead and do that. Write yours while I am writing mine. And Spotty Cat really wants to watch what's going on today. Guess he wants to learn all about the letter O. Here we go. Okay, L, U, D, okay. All right, if you need more time to write your name, go ahead and pause the video, and then when you're done, press play and rejoin us, okay? All right, say capital O, say lowercase o, say octopus, ah. Okay, so we're focusing on the short sound for this letter, so we want to put a breve above. The breve is like a smiley, just a smiley that you put above. So that's called a breve, and when you see a letter coded with a breve, it means you're going to make the ah sound. So we'll see that on vowels especially, where we will be coding them. Okay, so we're going to point down to our teddy bear right there and review the letters that we've learned. So we have, let me pull out our strip. So remember, our first consonant that we learned was lion, O, which has a capital L and a lowercase l. So we're going to write those right here on line number 1. O, capital L, O, lowercase l. Okay, and now we're learning the vowel O. And we have octopus, ah, capital O, and lowercase o. So let's go ahead and write that. Capital O is big, lowercase o is smaller. Okay, so this is the page. We did this for the letter L also. For the vowel O now, we're going to connect capital letters to lowercase letters. Okay, so here, this is lowercase, this is capital, so I'm going to go ahead and connect. Now this is a capital O and capital O, okay? So I need to find lowercase o's to connect them to, and I can either go like this and go straight down like that, or I can cross. You choose what you want to do, because these are your lowercase o's. So there's a lowercase o, there's a lowercase o to connect that to. So it's kind of like you're connecting the mom to the baby or the dad to the baby. Okay, so I'm going to connect this capital O to the lowercase o. Okay. So we're not quite finished yet. We need to go to the back side of this page, and we're going to see some pictures, and we're going to write the beginning sounds for these pictures. Okay, so the first picture here by little Riley Raccoon, if you see the number 3, that is an octopus. So echo octopus, ah, and we're going to write a lowercase o, and please remember to code that O now with a breve, so you know that's going to make the ah sound. Then we have on number 4, have you seen that creature before? That is an ostrich. Echo ostrich, ah, and you're going to write your letter sound with an O and abreve to make the ah sound. And then number 5. This is a lock. Echo lock. Ol. So you're going to write the ol sound with a lowercase l. Okay, we're finished with this booklet. Please give yourself an exit ticket at the top. Okay, great job. And we'll continue on with our next phonics lesson.